Creating a manual order in Ordoro is a simple way to process custom or offline sales, ensuring they flow seamlessly into your fulfillment workflow. Whether you're handling phone orders, wholesale purchases, or special requests, Ordoro lets you create, edit, and manage orders with ease. To begin, navigate to the Orders tab in Ordoro. Click Create Order, which will open a new page with three main sections. Order ID. This is pre-filled with today's date, but can be changed before saving. Once saved, it cannot be edited. Manual orders always begin with an M to indicate they were created manually. Order date. Defaults to today's date, but can be modified if needed. Requested shipping method. Enter the method selected by the customer, such as free shipping or USPS priority mail. If you use automation rules or presets, ensure this matches them for accurate processing. Customer notes. This is typically used for gift messages and will appear on packing lists. Internal notes. These are visible only to your team within Ordoro and will not appear on packing lists. Use this field for important internal details about the order. Apply tags. Assign an existing tag or create a new one to categorize and organize orders efficiently. Tags help streamline searching and filtering in Ordoro. Shipping and billing addresses. If the customer has ordered before, enter their name and select their saved address to autofill. If the shipping and billing address are the same, check the Same as Shipping box to save time. If this is a new customer, manually enter the shipping and billing details. Add products to the order. Select an existing product from your Ordoro inventory or create a new product entry. Enter the product SKU or name, and Ordoro will display matching results. Click the product name to edit details if needed, such as adjusting quantity or price for special orders. The system will calculate the grand total based on discount, shipping and handling, and tax. Once all details are entered, click Create Order. The system will process the order, and within a few seconds, it will appear in the Awaiting Fulfillment status, ready for processing. To verify the order details, return to the Orders tab and use filters to locate manual orders using the M prefix. This helps ensure accuracy and keeps everything organized. By using manual orders in Ordoro, you can maintain a structured workflow, easily track special orders, and ensure all sales, whether online or offline, are managed efficiently.